Yeah. I see you outside.
Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Suday. You can call me SOMI, and thanks for stopping by. So today's video is going to be a very detailed video on how I do my retwist without using any clips. I've been doing this for about maybe 2 months now, and I'm finally confident enough to share with you all this technique. So as you can see, my roots are extremely kinky. I have not retwisted my hair in a long time. I have been washing it without retwisting it or doing any braid outs. And so I had a lot of married roots, and my strands were not easy to work with when I was doing my hair. So right here, I already washed my hair about a week ago. So all I did was just wet my hair with the water, and now I'm spraying it with my aloe vera oil and glycerin mixture to get ready for the retwisting process. Now you know I got my good old Made by SOMI Herbal Gold hair oil. Do not play with me. I am just sealing in the moisture in my hair right now. And make sure you check the description box to get you some of your own oil, okay? So for this no clip retwist method, all you need are scrunchies. I used about 3 or 4 scrunchies, and I recorded the entire video, well, most of the video, in real time so you see exactly what I'm doing. I know y'all can't tell, but my arms were hurting so bad. Like, they was hurting the whole entire time. So as you can see, I am retwisting each individual lock. What I do is I take a lock, I separate it from the rest of the lock, make sure my parts are as clean as possible. I'm not really stressed about like them being too neat or too manicured or too clean. As long as I can get the hairs in one space, I'm pretty much satisfied with that. So after I retwist each lock, I kind of do a little loop, as you can see, and I keep my head as still as possible so they don't unravel. After I'm done with a section, I take a scrunchie and I tightly, I don't do it that tight, but I do it tight enough. Make a ponytail, and that's it. That's literally the method. I do this through my entire head, and y'all will see the results. Y'all see, but it turned out so well. So for each section, I spray it with the aloe vera mixture, and then I seal with some more oil. And I do this because as I'm working, my hair starts to dry out. primarily because I didn't actually wash my hair this time. I just, wet it a little bit, so it wasn't really soaking wet. So it was drying pretty quickly. Okay, so once I got my first two ponytails, this is where it became very, very simple. I would just grab one lock, I would retwist that lock, and then I would basically feed it into the existing ponytail to hold it in place. And that would kind of be like, it would serve as like the clip holding the individual lock in place. So I'm gonna just sit back and let y'all watch the rest of the video. I will come back towards the end and check back in with y'all.
Dior. Dior made that.
Well, I am finally done with the retwist. This entire process from start to finish took like an hour and 20 minutes, and that's just because I was recording and stopping and making sure my camera was zoomed in right. It probably really only took like an hour or like 45 minutes, to be honest. It was so fast, like it went by so fast. So here are my results the following morning. Look at my retwist, y'all. Look how good my locks look. Like, what? Quit playing with me, man. Quit playing with me. So I just took out the ponytail holder in the back. I took out the other two overnight because I couldn't really sleep that well the way I had them in. But as you can see, it didn't change nothing. Like, my roots look retwisted. Like, my locks look raw right now. And you know I'm getting that good old scalp oil action in because that's just what I do. And yeah, overall, this method is so simple. Y'all should, everyone should try it at least once or twice. So the final step in the entire process is to do my baby hair. Y'all know I do not play with my edges at all. No ma'am, no sir. They are not to be played with. And then after that, it's just angles. I mean, I'm gonna just be showing y'all angles of how my hair looks and how much is grown and how the back looks like and, you know, all that good stuff.
Do you all read about this or hear this? That you used to go up on Mulholland Drive and park
every night
and visualize seeing yourself as...
Yeah, I would visualize,
This is when you were broke and poor.
You know, right, having directors interested in me and people that I respected saying, you know, I like your work or whatever that is. And I would visualize things coming to me that I wanted or whatever. Drive home and think, well, I do have these things. They're out there. I just don't have a hold of them yet, but they're out there. I wrote myself a check for $10 million for acting services rendered, and I gave myself 5 years, or 3 years maybe. And I dated it Thanksgiving 1995. Just before Thanksgiving 1995, I found out that I was going to make $10 million.
Alright guys, so this is the end of my video. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and also share my video with others. Thank you again, and see you next time. Bye.